Setting a video background for incoming calls on the Galaxy S24 allows you to personalize your call experience by displaying a chosen video during incoming calls. Here's how it's done. First, tap on the home button to return to the home screen. On the home screen, open the phone app. Next, tap on the More button at the top, and from the menu, select Settings. In the Call Settings page, tap on Call Background. Now tap on Background. Here you'll find some preset video options. You can choose one of these or customize it further. If you want to use your own video, then select one from Gallery. After selecting the desired video, tap Set as Call Background. You can also decide whether to play the video sound as the ringtone by toggling the Use Video Sound as ringtone option. Once everything is set, tap the back key or home button. Now, when you receive an incoming call, your selected video will play as the background. And that's it. You've successfully set a video background for your incoming calls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.